Hi. Me and my brother, well, we're very annoyed people. We get annoyed by a lot of things. Well, not really, but as you can see right there. But, here's a couple of things that annoy us. We just made a couple scenes to show what annoy us. Check them out.
Perhaps you just died.
One man, one goal. Hey, where are you going? Get back here! I'm not done! Don't take without consulting a doctor. Side effects may include diarrhea, vomiting, depression, itchy throat and eyes, diarrhea, constipation, runny nose, enlarged anus and cornea, and diarrhea, intense and violence, exploding belly button, growth of intangible ear hair and an extra toe, and more diarrhea.
Well, I'm just gonna do this!
Oh my god. Shut up!
Owen said monkey, but it died.
Hey, look, a penny. Whoops. Oh my god. A new episode of Vampire Diaries comes on tonight. Will someone get that walrus out of here? Alright, so that's some of the things that annoy us. Comment below some of the things that annoy you. And that's it. Thanks for watching.